Hi, this is Sandy from Simply Crafty SVGs, and today we will show you how to put together the birdhouse. With the panels on, go ahead and glue the bottom tabs to the inside of the bottom of the birdhouse. You'll do this on both sides. And I like to flip it over and apply pressure to the tabs that I just glued against the table to make sure they are secured. I like to put them on the inside so they can't be seen. You can put them on the outside if you'd like. Then go ahead and glue the back tabs to the inside of the back portion of the birdhouse. And again, I flip it over to apply pressure against the table. Like, that's one of the techniques I do all the time. It just makes it easier and helps to adhere. And then we just add the pieced door to the front, matching up the hole in the door to the hole in the birdhouse. Next, we'll assemble the roof. And just add glue to the little tabs in the middle, and you'll fold them over and glue them to the other side. You'll want to hold them for a moment to make sure they're secure before gluing the next one. Once the tabs are dry, you will see how it sits. The roof sits just gently on top of the birdhouse. And then we're gluing on the roof panels. There is overhang on each side, and one edge does glue on flush to the top of the roof portion, and add both sides. And then there's a middle piece that has a score in it that we'll glue on top to hide the edges. And that pretty much finishes it. Just place the roof on the birdhouse and it's done. Thanks for watching.